there! So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys some fun facts on our makeup brushes and just some of the different bundles that you can purchase there, but also which brushes I like to use for what. Now, something that maybe some of you guys don't know about me is that when I was pregnant with my son, Monty, our first child, I went to Ulta Beauty with the intentions of just going full out with makeup. I wanted something to just help me feel pretty during that time, help me feel like I'm doing something for my appearance because I couldn't do anything about the weight I was gaining. But anyway, so I went in there in hopes of just purchasing all this makeup and having the right brushes and everything. Long story short, I had to leave a lot of the makeup that I wanted there. I only got like one tiny little brush and had to go to like Walmart for the rest of it because everything was so expensive. And the brush that I got with the little sample kit that I started with was like so cheap, it was ridiculous. And it made my skin feel like itchy whenever I would use it because the brush was like very, yeah, it was just like scratchy, if that's a word. Anyway, so I was, needless to say, absolutely thrilled when I tried Lemongrass's makeup brushes because they are so soft and they are built to last. And I'm really excited. I'm gonna share the ones that I use every day with you because I feel like those are really important. I actually use almost all of them every day. One thing that is good to know with Lemongrass's makeup brushes is, first of all, if you take care of them, they will last you a very long time. Like I'm saying, like years. One thing that's good to remember is that if you can remember to wash your brushes, I mean, seriously, like twice a month is ideal, but at least once a month is great because with these brushes, especially if you're using liquid foundation, they can get a little bit, just get a little bit of buildup on them and then your makeup won't go on as smoothly. So keep that in mind. One way that I like to clean my brushes is by using our tea tree and citrus foaming hand soap. So I would suggest if you do invest in some brushes, just invest in that right away because then you'll have it so that you can clean it with that. And I think I have a video in my Facebook, no, I have a video on my Instagram highlight on how to clean makeup brushes. So anyway, let's get started. So the first brush that I use every morning is this, well, every morning that I wear makeup, is this brush right here. And this is our foundation concealing brush. I hope you guys can see that there. And this is what I use to apply concealer. So I will take my concealer, blot it under my eyes, and then blend it out with this. The reason that I like it is because it has such great soft bristles and it's a little longer and it just is like magic. It just blends it out perfectly. You can also use it for liquid foundation. The next brush that I always use if I'm wearing foundation is our foundation brush. Now, this one has kind of looser bristles, or like they're not quite as dense as like our kabuki brush, and that's the reason that I like it. It just blends out the foundation very evenly, and that's what I use for foundation. You can also use it for powder foundation, but I prefer this brush for that, which I'll talk about that in a little bit. Okay, the next brush that I use is our angled blush brush. The reason that I like this one is because it is angled. And so it just gives you that nice, a little more of a narrow look with your blush and helps you avoid getting too much blush on. So that's our angled blush brush. The next brush that I use, this is our dual brow brush. We do have an angled eyeliner brush, but I prefer this one because it has the spoolie on the end. Hopefully you guys can see that. So this I use for my brows. If you use the brow pomade, you can use it with this, but I use this end. I actually use eyeshadow for my brows. So I wet the tip and then I dip it into my eyeshadow, fill in my brows, and then I go back in with the spoolie end and blend it all out. I also use this tip for eyeliner. So I'll dip it into, right now I'm using eyeshadow for my eyeliner. I'll dip it into that and then line my eyes with that, and this brush just works fabulous. Absolutely love it. The last brush that I use is this kabuki brush, and again, this is like my everyday brushes. So this kabuki brush, I love it. It has this great little short handle, fits easily into any container you have, and then you just I use this for my pink veil. You can use it for powder foundation, and you can use it for, oh, and pink veil, by the way, is a finishing veil. I also, if I forget to spritz my mineral setting spray on before I do my eye makeup, I'll actually just spritz it right onto the brush and just dab it on. This is actually a really great multi-purpose brush. You could just use this one for blush if you wanted to. It's not going to give you that thin line, but you could, you know, press it like this to make it a little thinner. And it's a really great multi-purpose brush. It has these great dense bristles, so they're very thick and packed in there. Absolutely love this. It's great for blending as well. And then this little brush is what I use for eyeshadow when I wear eyeshadow. This is our eyeshadow brush, and yeah, pretty self-explanatory. So I wanted to show you the different options that we have as far as brush sets. This is our 8-piece brush set. It comes with the long-handled foundation brush, the regular foundation brush, foundation concealing brush, eyeshadow crease brush, which is not available by itself, our angled eyeliner brush, eyeshadow brush, and then a lip brush and a eyelash brush. You can get this whole set for just $48, which is an amazing, amazing price. The next set that we have is called our Essentials brush set. This has kind of some of the favorite brushes in it. It includes the angled eyeliner brush, eyeshadow brush, angled blush brush, and then that foundation brush that I talked about. And you can get all of this for just $38, which again is a steal. So this is like my favorite makeup bag ever. Absolutely love it. So here's like a little mesh part that you can, I like to put like eyeshadows or lipsticks in there. You can zip that shut. And then in the middle is this little zipper compartment. And you can actually take this off, which I think is really, really cool. The thing that I probably love the most about it is that it has this really cool compartment for brushes. So I just stick my brushes in there. This little flap on top actually comes down so that you can keep your brushes clean while you're traveling. So absolutely love this makeup bag. I use it every single time I travel, and I think it's a great option to have. Now you can get that bag by itself for $26, or you can get the bag plus 5 brushes for just $52. And the brushes that come with that is the Kabuki brush, angled blush brush, angled eyeliner brush, eyeshadow brush, and then the lash comb brow groomer tool thingy. So that's an amazing price. So let's switch gears a little bit here and talk about this month's Bliss Box. This month's Bliss Box is amazing. It is still available. The same box was for June and July, but I wanted to show you guys what's in this. So when you're, if you send this as a gift or if you're getting it for yourself, this is the way your box is going to look. Let's see here. Right there. And then when you open it, it's going to say, beauty begins the moment you decide to be yourself. Love that. And then the first thing you'll see is this little Bliss Box card. And then on the back, it just describes all the different products, what they're good for. And I love that because if somebody's new to lemongrass, they have no idea what's going on, this card is going to be really helpful. Okay, so the first thing they're going to see, or one of the first things they're going to see is this aloe vera cooling gel. You guys, I think this stuff is absolutely amazing from the reviews that I've heard from the consultant page, different customers that have loved this box. This is amazing for helping with sunburns. It is not scented, and there's no color added, and it goes on really, really smooth. It actually has spirulina in it, which from what I hear is amazing for your skin. Okay, so the next thing they are going to receive is a sunscreen sport stick, and I'm saying they are going to receive because I just think this is a great gift box. So the sunscreen sport stick, this is a 30 SPF, and it's just a roll-on or dot on. Works very well. And then there's this little Ziploc full of these 2 products. It is a sample size jar of our overnight rehab cream, which actually lasts surprisingly long. And then our Dreamsicle lip balm, and that's a vegan lip balm. Oh my goodness, it smells really, really good, you guys. And then the last thing in the box is a strawberry lemonade body polish. And you guys, this stuff smells amazing. And it's only scented with organic plant extracts and botanical extracts and essential oils. So this is definitely a treat in this month's box. So this box can be yours for just $36. There is no shipping charge attached, so you can totally order it for a friend. It will still count towards your total for the Mystery Hostess show. I'm really excited to see how many of you choose to take advantage of this Bliss Box this month. So again, $36, ships for free, makes amazing, amazing gifts. So hope you enjoy this month's Bliss Box as much as I do. Your bonus word for today is the word brush. So if you send that to me in a text message anytime before midnight this evening, your name will be entered into today's giveaway. If you screenshot this video anytime during the video and post it either to your Instagram or my Facebook group and tag me in it, you're gonna get an extra entry into today's giveaway. So just be sure and do that before midnight today as well. So, all right, hope you guys have a great rest of your day. I hope you found this educational, and I will talk to you again tomorrow. See ya.